Are you looking for the best blenders in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best blenders that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5. We have the Ninja S101 Foodie Smoothie Bowl Maker and Nutrient Extractor. We've tested a lot of personal blenders over the years and this one surprised us with the amount of presets it offered, compared to many personal blenders that only feature a pulse button. We especially love the Smoothie Bowl Maker cup, which features a built-in tamper and doesn't need as much liquid to blend ingredients to a smooth, very thick consistency. In our tests, we loved how the margarita was rich and creamy and there was absolutely no grit from the super fine sugar used. Don't forget the homemade peanut butter that was smooth and creamy in under 3 minutes. This model suctions firmly to your counter, which keeps it completely in place for its pulse-style auto smoothie setting. In addition to the 14-ounce smoothie bowl jar, this model comes with two 24-ounce blender jars with travel lids, which are all dishwasher safe. Moving on at number 4. We have the Breville the Fresh and Furious Countertop Blender. We were very impressed with how well this blender performed for its great price point. The green smoothie setting yielded a smooth and creamy texture with no sign of fibrous kale or spinach. This blender also has a regular smoothie button which will provide you with a juice bar quality smoothie in 1 minute. In our tests, this blender pureed soup to a silky smooth texture and produced a mighty fine margarita as well. The Fresh and Furious is easy to clean, and the jar and lid are dishwasher safe. In our tests, we found very few flaws, though the jar is just 50 ounces and became stained a little from tomato sauce. If you're on the hunt for a hand blender instead of a full-size blender, we also recommend the Breville Control Grip Immersion Blender, which tested best in our Immersion Blender Lab tests with a non-stick blender arm and perfectly emulsified mayo. At number 3, we have the Cuisinart Smart Power Duet Blender, Food Processor. A highly popular Cuisinart blender, food processor combo. It has a low-profile 40-ounce glass jar and 7 blending and processing options that are clearly marked and easy to use. We love that it comes with a compact food processor bowl for chopping, stirring and shredding. When blender testing, we found that this blender was very easy to clean and that it ground ingredients exceptionally well. We do recommend making berry and protein smoothies without tough kale though, since in our tests it didn't blend kale very well. Once the food processor attachment was on, we were even more impressed with how this model minced parsley, shredded carrots and sliced pepperoni. All parts, except for the base, are dishwasher safe. Of note, at 500 watts, this is not the most high-powered blender, and if you do overwork the blender it will stop working temporarily until it cools down. At number 2, we have the Vitamix A 3500 Ascent Series Smart Blender. This best-tested Vitamix blender features include a touch interface, 5 program settings, a programmable timer, variable speed and pulse. In our tests, this model produced the best-tasting kale and strawberry smoothie that completely went through a sieve without any flecks of kale or pieces of strawberry remaining. Milkshakes were creamy, frothy and had great body. Homemade peanut butter was silky smooth without any peanut chunks remaining. And margaritas were restaurant quality with a super fluffy consistency. Overall, we were very impressed with this blender's ability to break down even the toughest of ingredients. It was noticeably loud while grinding tough ingredients, and the self-cleaning function with soap and water wasn't a complete match for sticky nut butter. But the overall results are unmatched by the other models we tested. Throw in a 10-year warranty and you've got extra security that you will get years of great use out of this blender. And finally at number 1, we have the NutriBullet Blender Combo. Well priced, this high-powered blender comes with 3 jars, making it super versatile and our pick for the best value. It includes a 64-ounce pitcher for large batches and 2 different personal-sized cups, 32 ounces and 24 ounces with a handle. Both cups have lids that make it easy to take your smoothie to go. It features an Extract button that blends smoothies at pre-programmed variable speeds. We blended kale smoothies in all 3 jars, and all were uniformly smooth with no flecks. It also blasted through frozen strawberries effortlessly to make a delicious, evenly processed daiquiri. The base is not much larger than other NutriBullet models, and it has suction cups on the bottom that reliably prevent it from shifting around. The blades screw onto the top of the personal cups and then get inverted to be blended, so be careful to unscrew the personal blending cups from the base of the blender when you're done blending. It's easy to accidentally make a mess if you unscrew the cup from the blade instead. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.